డే 80 ఈరోజు కెప్టెన్సీ కంటెండర్స్ రేస్ కంటిన్యూ అయింది. థర్డ్ ఎంట్రీ ex-BB contestant Prerna entered into the BB9 house for captaincy contenders task. Big Boss announced a task name: Cross it, Climb it and Win it. Sanchalak Divya Nikita. Prerna selected Tanuja for the task. After a tough fight, Prerna won the task. So Tanuja is eliminated from the captaincy contenders race. Next, fourth entry, ex-BB contestant Devtadi Harika entered into the BB9 house for captaincy contenders task. Big Boss announced a task named Tower of Power. Sanchalak Barney Shankar. Harika selected Suman Shetty for the task. After a tough battle, Harika won the task. So Suman Shetty eliminated from the captaincy contenders race. Later, fifth entry, ex-BB contestant Manas entered into the BB9 house for captaincy contenders task. Housemates enjoyed funny activities with Manas. Big Boss announced a task named Nail It to Win It. Sanchalaks Barney Shankar and Kalyan Padala. Manas selected Demon Pavan for the task. After a tough fight, Demon Pavan won the task. So Demon Pavan captaincy contender అయ్యాడు. That's it for day 80. Comment about your favorite BB9 contestant. Don't forget to subscribe if you like the video, like, comment, share మర్చిపోవద్దు. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned.